I'm going to give you my last braggy example, and this involves the lovely and talented Helen Mirren. So this was another award show I was working on. She was getting the Lifetime Achievement Award. She chose option number 2 from the writer's menu, which is I will write it myself because she's cool, and I will send it to the writers to make it funnier and more engaging. And this situation led to me saying a sentence I never in my life thought I would say, which was, "Are you sure you want to say diarrhea, Dame Helen?" Because she was being specific. She was using specificity to be relatable. She was an actor. It was a Screen Actors Guild, so it's an actors union. She was getting the Lifetime Achievement Award. She wanted to be relatable, and she was talking about how nervous actors get before a gig. And so she was talking about the nervous stomach. I tried to talk her into using a different word or a euphemism. Nope, she wanted diarrhea and she got it. It's on YouTube. I'll give you that link at the end.